In this video, I'm going to show you how to use automation in Airtable. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Airtable account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the base where we would like to add automation into. Note that automation is a tool that lets you make things happen automatically with no manual clicking needed in your system in Airtable. Now, let's say we're going to use accounting base for demonstration. You simply click this, and once you click this will then direct you to the complete list of tables and numbers as well as data that you have inside this specific database. Now, on the header part of the screen on the upper, we can see in here various navigations of tabs. We go to automations. When you click on automations, this will then provide you the complete list of automations that you currently have inside this specific database in here, as well as will allow you to make some changes and modifications to this automation. Now, to create a new automation, you simply click Create New in here on the left sidebar of the screen, and you choose Create Automation. Once you create automation in here, this will then prompt you the steps on how to accomplish an automation. You select a trigger. Let's say we're going to use in here, when form is submitted, then you add an action in here. We clicked on send email. After that, you simply configure all the necessary information details about the trigger and the actions in here, and you can now successfully use this specific automation to make things easy inside your Airtable. And that's about it. That's how to use automation in Airtable. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.